Hello, I want to talk to you about a seven-figure business I have and how you can partake in the same sort of business. Now, to give you a little background, my name is Bill McRae. I have been working online full-time since 2002. I started a retail business selling guitars online, as you can imagine. That was a long time ago, but I got extremely good at traffic, extremely good at taking an order from a guy and then upselling them and all the things you need to be successful online. I ultimately sold the guitar business and have been running my own internet marketing, information marketing, and software business pretty much ever since. My biggest business right now is my email traffic business, and that's what I want to talk about today. We are going to train you how to sell traffic. Well, why do you want to do that? Listen very carefully. If you want to go fishing and catch a lot of fish, you go to the biggest pond where there's a lot of fish in it, right? And you never run out of fish to catch. And even if there's 100 other people there fishing, they're all catching fish. And it's the same thing with traffic. Traffic is the absolute largest market online. It's like $269 billion. Now, you might be familiar with companies like Google and Facebook and Instagram. These guys are making all their money from advertising. Well, advertising is traffic. Well, here's the good news. It doesn't take a very big piece of that market to be able to make your car payment or make your house payment or even replace a job. Now, I make $1 million a year doing that. But let's say you do 5% of what I do. How would extra $50,000 do for you? Or even an extra $1,500 a month? That's the point. It doesn't take a lot to be able to do it. It's very challenging to do if you try to do it on your own. You have to build a list, which costs thousands of dollars. You got to manage the autoresponders, which costs several $100s a month. And you got to fight everything. What we have is an opportunity called a solo ad brokerage business. This is how it works. I own a wholesale traffic business. We do bulk email. We deliver millions of clicks per month. What we do is sell you the traffic, you mark it up, and you keep the difference. And the best part is we train you how to do it. It's really a can't-fail system. There are easy ways to sell on Facebook. There are marketplaces where you can sell, and we give you the best price you can and really high-quality service and traffic. So my recommendation to you is to take the training below on how to be a solo ad broker and start running a business today. You can make money literally tonight. So have a great day.